Hello students, welcome to Prayashu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is measuring time. This is lecture, and after this one some examples we are going to see to clarify our main topics, their additions and their subtractions, and find out in the difference between the two times. Okay, so as we know the time, measuring time, and we are always be looking or always be following the time with a clock. Okay, so or we can say the watch. So in that one, antemeridian and the post meridian, these are the two main types. Antemeridian in short form we are writing as a am, okay, or something like this one, am. Okay, antemeridian. Ante means what? This is a before. Okay, meridian means the middle of the day, means this is the middle of the day, means this is the in a noon or midday. Okay, so that is a always be 12 o'clock in noon or 12 noon. Okay, we are saying, so this is the meridian. Now post meridian, post means that is a after. Okay, so this is a before and this is a after. So this post meridian we are writing as a capital P M, or sometimes writing as a P, small p or m, sometimes writing p dot m dot also sometimes. Okay, that depending, but short form is the pm. Now after this one are the minutes, seconds. So interconvergence, addition, subtraction, and the word problems. So these are related to the addition and subtraction for the hours, minutes, and seconds. As we know, one day is equals to 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours, and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. 60 minutes means like this one here, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, then 1 minute is equals to 60 second. 60 second. So this is the main convergence. So always be note down, one day is equals to 24 hours, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Okay, this is yes and C, 60 seconds. Now one day which having the 24 hours, this can be counted in two system, means 12 hours and plus 12 hours. Now why this 12 hours? So this first 12 hours for the anti-meridian, and later 12 hours is with a post meridian. Okay, or this is a called as a 12-hour clock. Okay, so here mentioning the 12-hour clock, or sometimes directly 24 hours also we can note down from 0 to 24 hours, and after this one the second day started. So these are the two systems measuring the time. So now we are going to see additions and the subtraction. So while doing the addition and the subtractions, always be follow this format, means minutes are separated and hours are separated. As we know, these symbols we are using to show the timing. Okay, always be, so hours and then minutes. Hours always be in two digits, or we can say first means small unit place and the tens place, because 12, after the 12 hours or after the 24 hours, the next day comes, and that's starting again after the 0. Okay, so means always be from 0 to 24 hours, this is the only counting. So that's why these two digits are there. And minutes also 0 to 60 are there. Okay, 60 minutes. So 60 minutes, after this one again the 0 is started, means 00, then up to the 60. So while doing the subtraction, always keep the minutes below each others. Okay, and these symbols also, and hours also, and then we are going to make the subtractions. If suppose this part is this minutes having the bigger than this one, while doing the subtractions, mean this case is showing here, that how we have to make the subtraction, that we are going to see, and the additions also. Now in additions, that's very simple, means 35 plus 45. Sometimes always we follow these two digits at same time, means don't follow the single digit. Always be make the additions of 35 and 45 directly, means complete this minutes. Okay, and in hours also the complete hours we can take it. Okay, so that is easiest way. So 35 plus 45, that is the 80. Okay, this 80, and then symbol as it is. After this one hours, 4 hours plus 1 hours, that is a 5 hours. Okay, so 0 you can maintain, or directly only 5 hours so you can maintain. Now here 80 minutes, this cannot be possible, so we will do from 80, 60 we have to subtract. So after this 60 subtracts, means minus 60, and this 60 is equals to the 1 hour, so that will be we are going to add in hours. So 1 hours here we will add, means this 80 minus 60, it will come the 20, and after this adding the 1 hour in 5, so that will come the 6. So like this one, then the time is correctly we can say, okay, then hours. So 6 hours and 20 minutes, like this one. While doing the subtractions, now here the 35 and here 45, so from 35 45 cannot be possible. Okay, so what we will do, 1 hour we will convert in minutes. Okay, always remember this procedure. So 1 here deducted and 1 hour here added, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay, so 60 minute we will add it because this is a minute sections. So 35 plus 60, it's a 95 now. Okay, so completely instead of the 35, it comes the 95. Now 95 minus 45. So 95 minus 45, this is a 50. So this symbol as it is. Now this is a deducted with 1, means now this is a, instead of this 4, it comes the now 3. Okay, so 3 minus 1, it's a 2. So means we can say 2 hours and 50 minutes. So that is the way of the doing the subtractions and the additions. Now we are going to see some examples, and through the some examples we are going to understand the measuring of the time, or we can say the operations of the addition, subtractions, or find outing the difference from the between the two times. How we are going to the find outing the time period for particularly activity, that time period how we are going to calculate, that we are going to see. Now question number 1, what time is it quarter past 5? Now here quarter, as we know, quarter means 1/4, past means after. Okay, always we remember this way, 1/4 after 5. Okay, after 5 means 5 o'clock. So means of course after means that is addition, so here that has to be added. So 5 plus 1/4 of the hours. Okay, so 1/4 of the hours means hour means is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 multiply by 1/4, so this is equals to the 15 minutes. Okay, as we know the 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes, so quarter of the this 1 hour is equals to 15 minutes. So 5 and 15 minutes. Okay, so 5 hours we can say, and here and 15 minutes. So 5 hours and 15 minutes is option number 2. Now question number 2, what time is it according to 24-hour clock at 8 o'clock p.m. post meridian, means 8 p.m. we have to convert in 24 hours. As we know, after 12 noon, okay, 12 noon to 8 p.m. this is equals to the 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours. So in a 24 hours we have to continue this 12 13 14 up to the 24 hour. Okay, so this 12 as it is plus this 8 we have to add, so 12 plus 8 it's a 20 hours. So this is the 20 hours is given in option number 3. Now question number 3, 8 hours is equals to how much minutes? So as we know, 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So 60 multiplied by 8 hours. So 6 multiplied by this 8 is equals to 48, and then this 0 as it is, means this is a 480 minutes. Now question number 4, 9 hour 30 minutes is equals to how much minute? Now here minute is already given, so this hours we have to convert in minutes. So 9 hours multiplied by 60 is equals to, this will convert in minute. Okay, so 9 multiplied by 6, this is a 54, and then this 0 as it is, means 540 minutes. But this 30 minutes also we have to add. Okay, so plus 30 minutes, so it will come the 570 minute. So 570 minute is given in option number 1. Now question number 5, 4 hour 55 minutes minus 2 hour 50 minutes. So 4 hour 55 minute minus 2 hour 50 minutes. 2 hour 50 minute. Now minute we will consider, and the hour we will consider. So 55 minus 50 it's a 5, and then 4 minus 2 it's a 2 hour. Okay, so 2 hour and 5 minutes. So that is given in 2 hours and 5 minutes. Yes, so option number 2 is correct one. Now question number 6, 440 minutes is equals to how much hours and how much minutes? So 440 this 440 we have to divide it by 60 because 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So this 0 get cancelled, 0 get cancelled. Now 6 ones are, and here 6 sevens are 42. So 6 sevens are 42 means 7 hours. Okay, so 42, and here the 2 is balance means 20 is balance. So here the 20 minute, because previously we are deducted 00 for the making the division. Or we can do the division like this one, 440 divided by 60. Now directly with the 60, here 44 cannot be, but 67 are, as we know, the 420, and here the balance 20. Now we could not be carry out this up to the decimals because we need these minutes and hours. So this quotient is hours and this remainder is the minutes. Now this is a lesser than 60, so we will stop here. If that is a greater than 60, then again we will take out the divisions. Okay, so this is the meaning. So this is 7 hours and 20 minutes. So 7 hours and 20 minutes is given in option number 4. Now question number 7, 2 hour 3 minute 4 second is equals to how much second? So 4 second is already given. Now 3 minute we have to convert in seconds. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So this multiply by 60. Now 2 hours we have to convert in seconds. So for 2 hours multiply by 60, then it will come the minute, and again if you multiply by the 60, then it will convert to the second. So means 2 multiply by 60 multiply by 60. So it will the 6, this 20, then 6 multiply by 6 is the 36 multiply by 2, it's a 72. Then this 3 multiply by 60 means minute to the second, so this is a 180, and then here the 4 seconds is given, so 4 seconds as it is. Okay, 4 seconds. So here the 4 as it is, then 8 as it is, then 2 plus 1 is the 3, and then 7. So it's a 7384. 7384 means option number 3 is the correct one. Now question number 8, what is the time in 12-hour clock if it is 15 hour 30 minute in 24 hour? Now 24 hour to the 12 hour we have to convert. Okay, so means this time 15 hours 30 minutes up minus this 12 hours we have to do, means 15 hours and 30 minute. Okay, this is our minus 12 hours, this HR, and this 00 minutes. Okay, so it will the 30 minute as it is, then 15 minus 3 15 minus 12, it's a 3 hours. So this is a 3 o'clock. Okay, and 30 minutes. Okay, so it's a 3 o'clock and 30 minutes, it's a PM. Okay, so 3 hours and 30 minutes in option number 2. Now question number 9, a cricket match start at 10 o'clock in the morning. In morning means it's a AM, and finished at 3 o'clock and 45 minutes. Okay, in the afternoon means it's a PM. So what is the duration of the match? Duration means that period, means starting to the finish, total time we have to count. Now suppose this is a clock, I just, okay, perfect, goal. So this is a 12, 3, 6 and 9. Now match started at 10 o'clock. Okay, so means 10 AM. Okay, so from the starting to the up to the 3:30 means something here 3:30, here the 4. So 3 and 4, sorry, 45. So 3 and 45 PM. So starting from here. Okay, so from here to the here, so this is suppose clock. Okay, I just note down from hands minutes and second and for your understanding purpose. So up to the 12 afternoon, this is the 10 to 12 means this is the 2 hours. Okay, and 00 minutes. Then we have to add because we are counting from starting to the finish, so we have to do the additions and then this timing. So 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours and 45 minute. So 0 plus 45 means 45 minutes, and then this are as it is 2 plus 3 is a 5 hours 45 minutes, because from starting to the 12 and from 12 to the 3 and 45, this time is completely, we are counting the durations, okay, means from starting to the end. So that's why we are to add this time plus this time, okay. Directly we could not be add 10 plus 3 and something, so okay, it will be get wrong. Always be use the 12 o'clock either in midnight or either in afternoon, okay. So after the 12 always be count separate, okay, and then do the additions or subtraction as per the requirement. So this is a 5 hours 5 hours and 45 minutes. Option number 1 is correct one. Now question number 10, 4 hour 40 minute plus 3 hour 35 minutes. So these additions we have to do. So 4 hour 40 minute and 3 hour 35 minute. So we'll do the addition. So 45 plus 30, it's a 75 minute, and 4 plus 7 is a 7 hours. Now 75 minute we could not be showing clock, okay. So means 75 is equal 75 is equals to 60 plus 15. Now 60 minute we can convert in a 1 hour, okay. So this 1 hour we have to add here, so means plus 1, so it will come the 8 hour, and then this 15 minutes balance as it is, okay. Because from this 75 we have take out 60 minutes and that added in a 1 hour, okay. It means in hour, so 8 hours and 15 minutes. So 8 hour and 15 minutes is given in option number 3. Now question number 11, if a boy run 100 centimeter in 1 second, then how much distance he will cover in 10 minutes? Now in 1 second 100 centimeter, so in 10 minutes, so for this one we will make the unit equalization, mean here second given, so here also we will do the seconds, okay. So 10 minute we are going to convert in second, okay. So as we know 1 minute is equals to 60 second, so means for the 10 minute we have to multiply by with the 10 to the 60 second, okay. So it's a 600 second. Now in 1 second the boy runs 100 centimeters, so now 600 centimeter multiply by this 100 centimeter we have to do, so means that is the distance, okay. So this is a 1 second 100 centimeter per second, we can say per second. Now this second get cancelled, means that is a centimeter balance. So 600 multiplied by 100 means 6 and then 000. Now this is in a centimeter. As we know 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, okay. So we have to divide it by this one with a 100 centimeter, okay. So this is a conversion of this one. So this 2 get 0 cancel, get this 2 0 get cancel, and this centimeter will convert to the meter now, okay. So means 600 meter. So, and 600 meter is given in option number 2. Now question number 12, 4 hour 30 minutes minus 2 hour 45 minutes. So 4 hour 30 minutes and 2 hour 45 minutes. Now these subtractions we have to do. Now from the directly 30 we have to consider, because this is not a 10 multiples of the conversions, okay. Minutes always be after the 60 minute it will convert in a hours. So for the consideration of the timing, as we earlier show how to do the subtraction, so 30 has to convert more than this one, okay. So instead of this 1 hour deduction we will add the 60 minutes here, okay. So plus 60 here. So after this one it will come the 90, okay. So after this addition it will come the 90 minutes and it will reduce to the 3, okay. So now 90 minus 45, it's a 45 minute. Now 3 minus 2, it's a 1 hour. So 1 hour and 45 minutes, and this is given in 1 hour 45 minutes in option number 2. Now question number 13, Hamid had to reach at half past 11. Half past 11 means what? Half past means after. 11. Okay, means 11 plus half. Okay, for the drawing examination means this is a minute in terms of the minutes, means after the 11 clock half hour means this is a 30 minute, means the timing is 11 and 30 minutes, means this is okay at am. Okay, so but he reaches 3/4 hour later. 3/4 hour. So as we know, 3/4 hour means multiply by 60 with the 3 by 4, it's a 45 minutes. He getting late. Then at what time did he reach for the examination? As we know that he had to reach. Okay, he's supposed to reach at the 11:30 a.m. but he get late with 45 minutes. He get late. Okay, late means this time plus this time we have to add. So means 11:30 plus this 0 and then 45 minutes. So now this is a 75 and 11 as it is. Okay, now 75 minutes cannot be, so 75 means 1 hour and 15 minute. So this 1 hour we have to add it here, so it will come the 12 hour and 15 minutes. Okay, so 12 hour 15 minutes is given in option number 4. Now question number 14. ST bus start at 7 o'clock in the morning from Mumbai and reach Satara at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The bus stop for 15 minutes after every 2 hours. Then what is the actual traveling time for the bus? As bus started at 7 o'clock in the morning. In the morning means it's a AM. Okay, means 7 AM, and reaches at Satara at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, means 3 p.m. Okay, so means in a clock, if we consider this clock, so this is at the 7, this is at the 6, and this is at the 3 and the 12. Here the 9. So this is a starting. Okay, starting timing. So 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, so 7 a.m. and reaches at the 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock means here 3 p.m. Okay, so from here to here. Okay, so this time duration we have to calculate. So before calculating directly, we have to first count up to here 12. So 7 to 12 means 12 minus 7. Okay, 12 minus 7 is equals to 5 hours. Okay, so from here to the up to here it's a 5 hours, and then from 12 to 3 it's a 3. Okay, so additions of the 3 hours, so is equals to the 8 hours. But the condition is given, bus stop for 15 minutes after every 2 hours. Every 2 hours. Okay, so if we consider here, after 7 here 15 minutes, so it's a first stop. Okay, after 7 up to 11 it's a second stop. Okay, after 11 up to the here 1 o'clock it's a third stop, and after this one directly destination comes, means 1, 2 and 3 stops. So 3 multiply by, and one stop is consuming, or we can say the holding time is a 15 minutes. Okay, so means it's a 15 minutes, so is equals to it's a 45 minutes. So that is the stop time, but we have to calculate the traveling time. So this is the total time. From this one we have to deduct this stop time, means this holding time. Okay, so 8 hours 00 minutes minus this 45 minutes. Okay, and 0 hours we will consider for the subtraction purpose. Now 0 minus 45 cannot possible, so 1 hour get reduced and that convert with a 60 minute, and that adds to the 0, so it will come the 0, it will come the 60 minutes. So 60 minus 45 is a 15 minute, and then 7 minus 0 means 7 hour. So 7 hour and 15 minutes, so 7 hour and 15 minutes means option number 3 is correct one. Now question number 15. Train which start at 10 or 30 minute at night, means it's a PM, means 10 and 30 PM, reach Nagpur on the next day. This is the next day reaching point, means this is at on the first day. Okay, on the first day. Okay, the next day at 1 hour and 40 minute in the afternoon, 1 hour and 40 PM. Okay, so or we can say in a 24 hours it will be 13 and 40 minutes. Okay, so 1 plus 12 means a 13. So now how long was the journey? So we will consider here the clock, here the 12, here the 6, year 3, year 9. Now, starting at the 10 and 30 p.m. Okay, on a first, we can say the first day. So from here to the midnight, okay, so it will be the 12 minus 10:30, so 12 o'clock, 12 hour 00 minus 10 hour and 30 minute. So these subtractions we have to do, so that will be from here to here time. So 0 minus 30 cannot possible, so 1 hour we have to convert to the 60 minutes. So 60 minus 30 is a 30 minute, and then 11 minus 10 is a 1 hour. Okay, so means this is the first day. On a first day, 1 hour and 30 minute, that is the traveling. Then from the next day starting, means from the midnight 00 to the afternoon 12. I'm again repeating, from the midnight to the afternoon 12, because afternoon 1 hour and 40 minutes it is reaching point, okay, reaching time. So before this one, that is a mid 12 noon is there, so that is a total 12 hours. Okay, so 12 hours from the midnight 12 to the afternoon 12, so that is a 12 hours and then 00 minute. Then from 12 p.m. to the 1 and 40 p.m., that is a 1 hour and 40 minute. Now this total traveling time means we have to add all the timing. So here 30 plus 40, it's a 70 minute, and here 1 plus 1 2 plus 12, it's a 14 hour. Now 17 minutes means we can say 1 hour and 10 minute. So this 1 hour we have to add here, so it will come to the 15 hour and this 10 minute. So this is given in option number 4. Thank you.